This episode of How to Do Florida, Chad tackles the challenge to land monster bass with TV show host and master angler Ronnie Green.
I'm excited about getting that 10-pound bass. I can feel it. I know it's going to happen.
Got it. Look at me. Oh, that's a big fish, Chad.
And then Chef Justin shows us how to prepare fresh from Florida fruits and veggies.
Chad and I are going raw.
Going raw. Chef Justin's going to take us there.
So let's drop some lines and land some bucket mouths. This is How to Do Florida.
Hey, today on the show, we're going to show you how to catch monster bass.
Few names are more synonymous with Florida game fishing than the largemouth bass. In fact, it's been designated as the state's official freshwater ambassador, and with good reason. These ferocious fighters are highly sought after by anglers worldwide. And here in Florida, we have one of the healthiest populations on the planet. But in all my years of fishing, I've never caught a 10-pound bass. Today I'm in Lake Okeechobee in South Central Florida to try to change that. And I've enlisted some heavyweight help. So we're here in Lake Okeechobee, and I'm waiting on my guide, my friend Ronnie Green. Ronnie hosts his own TV show, like me, and is a big-time tournament fisherman, unlike me. This man's supposed to put me on a big 10-pound bass, and so I'm gonna feed him some protein, so he'll be ready to go tomorrow.
Chad, what's going on, man?
Mr. Ronnie Green. How you doing, sir?
Doing wonderful.
I've asked him for his help to lead me to the bass promised land. I'm excited about getting that 10-pound bass. I can feel it. I know it's going to happen.
Yeah, well, that's really a tall order. You got to understand that is an elite class fish. They're very skilled at knowing what's artificial, what's going to get me hooked, and what's going to actually allow me to survive and get bigger. So they got big because they're probably one of the genius fish.
So they're smart, I get that.
Yeah.
But we're smarter, right?
There's been hundreds of tournaments on this lake. Some of the best fishermen in the world have fished here and have never caught a 10-plus pound bass. Chad is asking for a 10-pound bass. I'm not sure he really understands how tough that is.
You've brought me down a little bit, but I'm still want a 10-pound bass, Ronnie.
Oh, so do I.
I still want a big one. Okay, I knew this was going to be a challenge. It's already psyching me out how hard it's going to be to catch a 10-pound bass. Let's toast a big bass tomorrow, sir.
You better believe it.
Big bass, all right?
So it's dark 30. We're here at Gerard's for one thing, shiners.
To catch a 10-pound bass, you need premium bait.
Swimming sirloin right there.
And that's exactly what these big beauties are.
You can tell when shiners are healthy because they have a lot of movement. A lot of movement causes a lot of activity, and then that also brings about the big bass.
Shiners are widely recognized as the go-to bait for big bass, as their $20 a dozen price tag will attest.
Behave, babies.
These shiners are like commodities around here. You know, you could probably get your truck repaired, you could probably pay a mortgage with shiners. What happens out there if these shiners die?
Oh, we're in trouble.
We're dead and stinking.
Chad and I had an arrangement. He would pay for the food, and I would pay for the bait.
Okay, so we got 8 dozen shiners. That's $19 a dozen. What is that?
152 ups. I'm not sure that I got the best end of this deal.
Lake Okeechobee is an indelible part of Florida's landscape, a resource for us to experience, enjoy, and most of all, protect. I've been curious how we're going to cover Lake Okeechobee's 730 square miles in just a couple of days.
Hey, one thing about bass fishermen, they like to go really, really fast.
Spring is the time when bass head for shallower water to spawn. We're going to start in some of these grassy beds close to the shoreline.
Man, it's early in the morning. We got some good shiners here. Couldn't be a prettier morning here on Lake Okeechobee. Got some overcast. One of the exciting things about shiner fishing is that you can tell when that shiner is afraid for its life because that bobber just starts getting real nervous. Then that translates to make the fishermen a little nervous too because something's about to happen.
Good news.
You letting him eat?
The fish are biting.
Really?
Is that Ronnie?
Bad news? They're not committing.
Come on, man.
Man, it's frustrating, Ronnie. I feel like these fish are biting it.
Yeah.
Our bobber's going down and we're counting. You know, we're giving them some time, but they're not eating it.
I just do about anything to catch a big bass. I tried talking to him.
Go down, bobber, go down. Tired of looking at you, bobber, go down.
And singing to him.
Come on,
Here we
bass. Bass, bass, pretty little bass. Come on in and bite my shiner.
There you go.
Small fish.
Yeah.
And finally,
Man, it's 9 o'clock, our first fish. It's been a tough morning, but got one on the boat. The sun's coming out, so maybe this will be the start of some better luck.
or maybe not.
Come on, 10-pounder, talk to me. Where are you at? You're out here somewhere. All right, I'm going with the big shiner equals big bass theory. Look at that sucker. That right there. Most people would put that on the wall. I'm gonna put it on this hook. Gosh, like throwing a small child. Ugh. Ah! See the splash that thing made?
Little did I know, that big shiner would definitely lead to the biggest thing we pull out of Lake Okeechobee all day.
Oh,
Here
man.
we go.
Oh my God. I look over, and Chad's in the water.
What the frick happened?
I'm sorry. It was pretty funny.
That's not how you do Florida. Here's how to do Florida tip. These bass boats, very slippery. Don't stand on the edge in bare feet, because you're gonna go swimming.
I think I got a cramp.
Oh, I can't, dude, the mic.
As if my fishing pride hadn't taken enough beating today, time to head back to the docks, lick our wounds, and get ready to do it all again tomorrow. As we laugh about our day, the conversation turns to the elusive fish that so many Florida fishermen seek.
Ronnie, what is it about these fish? What makes them so ferocious like that?
Well, I tell you, they're opportunists. Bass are amazing animals.
It's that ferocious strike that literally has made the bass the most popular game fish in America.
That is true. Billions of dollars spent on this green beast.
Probably lots of divorces,
Yeah.
you know, second mortgages,
That's right.
chasing this fish, right?
That's so true. And that's why we love it. All right, man.
All right, buddy. Take care.
Okay.
What the? Ronnie, what'd you put in this stuff? You gotta be... As I slumbered that night, I was haunted by the thought of never catching my 10-pound bass.
Oh. Chad, you think you're quite a fisherman, don't you? I mean, you caught a swordfish. You even got that big tarpon in the Keys. But you never caught me. I'm a 10-pound bass.
Okay, you're right. I've never caught a 10-pound bass.
You're not a fisherman until you catch me. Ho. When we return, Chef Justin delivers some fresh from Florida platter ideas.
Right now in their raw form, they are packed with nutrients.
And later, Chad struggles to measure up to his own expectations.
Finally. So about 2? Maybe
Well,
2? Give me 2, Ronnie.
Well, it's not 10.
Up next, Chad and I are going raw.
Going raw. Chef Justin's gonna take us there. Wow, Chef Justin. I mean, this is one of the reasons I love Florida. I mean, look at all this, and you're telling me all this is grown in Florida.
Really, it's all about seasonality. Understanding the growing seasons around Florida is going to be your best friend when it comes to buying produce. Today, we're going just how nature intended, and that is raw. Let's start with this amazing orange here. Okay, now what I like to do if I'm just kind of casually eating orange or serving them up, then I'm just going to make kind of like little citrus smiles.
Okay.
I'll cut it like that into quarters. And we see this very end part here has a little bit of seeds and kind of the white part here that can be a little rough. So to make it nice and easy, I put it down on the board and just kind of at a little angle. I'll take this off right
You
there.
just zip that sucker off.
And look at that.
Look at
That is ready to go. Perfect.
It's a citrus boat.
And then, you know, if we want to have a little fun with it, I could just kind of run my knife down, serve it just like this, and then you have basically the skinless piece there ready to go.
Wow.
And now another cut I like to use depending on what we're serving, is I'll take the top and the bottom off. So then I'm gonna go right down, following the natural curvature of it.
You guys looking at that? Look how it goes around the corner there like
This is
that.
taking this off nice and easy.
Look at that. This is where you really need to have a nice sharp knife here, right?
This is where the sharp knife comes in extremely handy. Okay.
Oh, it's like a goodness ball right there.
Naked orange right there. I mean,
Yeah.
I just go to town on this. So from here.
So you can do like an ambrosio or like an ambrosio?
Absolutely.
Ambrosio.
Ambrosia.
Ambrosia. Ambrosia
We can
salad.
make some nice little slices like that. There's so many ways we can cut it, but once we've got the skin off, then it's just eat it up.
Oh, these just plop in your mouth. Well, Chef, thank you so much for those serving and dicing and slicing tips.
Absolutely.
What I really want to know is, what is Florida on a platter?
Ah, yes, my friend.
Let's bring it out. What
Let's
do
show
got?
you. All right.
And I got some dips over here.
We've got Florida on a platter here. So what we mean when Florida on a platter is we've got all this amazing produce that we've cut up. It's all in raw form, and we've arranged it nicely in a platter to enjoy. You know, from the snap beans to the cucumber to squash, the sweet peppers, radish, amazing citrus, watermelon, blueberries, strawberries.
Wow.
Just the way I like to eat it,
Yeah.
raw, fresh, and healthy.
So you've got these, and now let's talk about these dips here. 'Cause these
Yeah,
dips
we've
look
got
really
some
good.
great dips that I like to serve this with, whether it's a fresh-made hummus. Of course, we love guacamole here with the Florida avocados.
Gotta have it.
I've got some smoked mullet dip, which is phenomenal with these veggies. And then a little bit of low-fat, house-made pimento cheese dip, which is one of my southern favorites.
You know, Chef Justin, with this spectacular display, I think I have a pretty good shot at getting my kids to eat more vegetables.
You know, Chad, that would be phenomenal because right now in their raw form, they are packed with nutrients.
Up next, just when everything was going so swimmingly.
Good morning.
You know those billy bass that are on the wall? This thing was like taunting me while I was sleeping.
I hope you don't tell me any other dreams.
Chad may have officially lost it.
When you lose them like that, you don't quite know what you lost.
We're on Florida's Lake Okeechobee with top tournament bass fisherman Ronnie Green in search of my first 10-pound bass. Our first day produced few highlights, but today's a new day. Before we head out for more fishing, I was dying to know who catches all these shiners, the lucrative bait that drives the bass fishing business.
So I'm out here with, oddly enough, Chad.
Chad is a shiner fisherman. On one good day, he'll collect 50 or 60 dozen of these shiny little treasures.
You're probably gonna get dirty if you stand right there.
Okay. He's about to throw this net, so he's asking us to get the heck back here. This is quite an ordeal. A lot of these guys are out here doing this. They're shiner fishing. This brings a lot of economy to this area, and it's all around this little fish right here. I don't think he knows that. You're very important.
All right, time for Ronnie and I to take some of these shiners and get after it.
Place looks bassy.
It does, man. It's fishy.
I'm ready to cross 10-pound bass off my bucket list.
He's going, he's going.
The bass still don't seem eager to cooperate.
Bass are playing with me.
Ronnie, however, is getting his day started off right.
Nice.
Good morning.
Nice, Ronnie.
He was pretty aggressive. It wasn't about 5 seconds. He
Sucked it down?
sucked it down.
Aggressive feeding, that's a good sign. Looks like we'll be catching a few more bass today.
Well, that's the wrong one. You little nasty varmint.
Well, catching a few. Something.
You caught a catfish?
Yeah.
That's -2 bass.
I'm really enjoying being out here with Ronnie. And he seems like the kind of guy you can tell just about anything.
I didn't tell you about this, but I had a dream last night that, like, you know those billy bass that are on the wall? This thing was like taunting me while I was sleeping. But it was clearly a dream. Have you ever had a billy bass talk to you like that? I don't know.
Never. Man, we trying to catch fish out here.
Okay, well.
Chad's talking about fish in his dream. I hope he don't tell me any other dreams. Oh, he got him.
When you lose them like that, you don't quite know what you lost. And that in itself is torture. So I've probably set the hook on 3 fish, have 0 fish in the boat. Ronnie's caught 3 fish. I want to really pop the next one. Even if I have to break this rod, I want to make you proud.
Do I feel him?
Good. Ooh, that's a nice fish, Ronnie.
Yeah, he is.
Ronnie is crushing it.
Ooh, nice bass.
Whoo!
Broke that rod.
Yeah.
Nice fish.
Yes, sir. At first, he wasn't going. That ain't supposed to happen.
While I'm just getting crushed.
What the heck? Now I broke the line. What am I doing wrong here? Help me out here.
Well, fishing is a funny thing. I watch your bobber. It's
Yeah.
going down just like mine.
Yeah.
Let it stay down a little bit longer,
Okay.
then start to tighten your line. It's been going down for sure.
I know it's been going down, but it's been going down on your rod. I have no doubt it's been going down. I'm not one of these gracious hosts that it doesn't bother me who catches fish as long as somebody catches fish. No, actually, I want to catch fish. I'll say it, all right?
Now test him. He's got it for sure.
Death roll.
Tighten it a little more. Now get him.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Finally. Finally caught a fish. Feels good, catch fish. So about 2? Maybe
Well,
2?
Well,
Give me 2, Ronnie.
well, it's not 10.
All right. Feel a little better.
Ah,
Caught a fish.
yeah. You set that one perfect, man. That was like the perfect hook set. You let him have it.
So, of course, just when I'm feeling better,
Yeah,
Big
that's a good
bass.
one. That's a good one.
Ronnie reels in this monster.
Big bass is on.
Yeah.
You want a
That's
net?
good one.
That's big fish, big
Yeah.
fish. Big fish! Get in here. Oh, yeah! Nice! That's what I'm talking about, buddy. Grab that shit.
Yeah, baby! Bam!
Now that is a big fish. Look at the size of that fish, Ronnie.
Yes. I love it. This is why you come to Okeechobee, man.
We kept catching them, definitely doing better than yesterday. Still, that big one eluded me. Thankfully, Ronnie, like most good bass fishermen, is an eternal optimist.
Oh, no 10-pounder today, Ronnie.
You'd be surprised, all of a sudden, thunk,
Sound advice
You're the optimist, aren't you?
somewhat.
and a good fishing philosophy to have. Because guess what? All of a sudden,
I just had a big fish take my bobber down for a death roll.
Oh, that's
I went to
another
set the
death roll.
hook, and then he left, and now it looks like he's still on there. Look at that.
He's back.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Got him. He ain't going
That's a
nowhere.
heavy fish. Oh, there he is. He's up. Look at him.
Oh, that's a big fish.
Come back at you. Come back at you. Gotcha.
That is a big fish. That was sweet.
That
Oh, man.
is
Oh.
a nice bass.
Yes,
Not 10, but man, still, what a thrill. What a thrill. Catching big bass here on Lake O.
so yeah, my 10-pound bass is still out there somewhere. No doubt, still laughing at me. But you know what? I did my share of laughing on this trip too. Thanks to a good Florida fishing partner, a beautiful Florida lake, and some unforgettable Florida fishing stories.
I'll come back here when you're 10 pounds.
Oh yeah, let go, baby. Well, that's our show. I hope you enjoyed it, but more importantly, I hope you feel encouraged to get out and do Florida.
Dude, you're pretty agile, man. That was a pretty smooth move.
Yeah, well, they're not all smooth. My luck comes and goes, really.
Stay tuned for some big bass catches.
You gonna fish over there or talk to the camera?
This guy's got his own TV show? What are they just giving shows away now?
Death roll.
I'm a 10-pound bass.